Hello and welcome back to new Google Ads tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share you how to set up a Google Ad step by step. In this video, I'm going to make this website video. Now, this is my client website. I'm going to sell this product. This is the log target accessories, Sky Kit accountability kits. I'm going to sell this one using Google Ads. I already research keyword in my before video. I show you how to research keyword. Now I'm going to set up a campaign. At first you need to go create a new campaign. After create a new campaign, click sales because this is an e-commerce site. So just click and select this one. Okay, add to parcels, then continue, then campaign type. I will run search ad campaign. Click this one. After creating search ad campaign, you have to click website visit. Give your website URL here. Just copy this one and paste here. After pasting, you need to continue. Then name here, Skylocks by okay, and today date is 08/02/25, and our monthly budget is 500. So just mention 500 USD. Okay, then I'm select the continue option. After continue, click conversion. No, I need click. Okay, then set a maximum CPC. I will select 0.05. then continue, and location, all location. So then also select continue, and after continue, here you can see some AI based suggestion. Just skip here, and first ad group, here you need to enter your keyword. So I already our keyword type is I have target here is face mask keyword. So I am going to find out the keyword, copy keyword and paste here. In this ad group, I have target multiple keyword. Then we need to write ad. So I already write Google headlines, Google ad headlines. So I just copy and paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. So just I need to copy and paste, copy paste, copy paste. So just wait a minute, I just copy and paste and back to you very soon. Okay, my copy pasting is complete. So 15 headline and 4 description I have added. Now we need to go next part, add we need to image. So play before, just click add image, and here you can see all the parts. So you can add image or you can find out from your website. So just copy paste, copy and paste URL, and let's see scanning. Here you can see lots of images found here. So we just select some one. We need to remove first. Let's see which we can select. Maybe this one, and also upload asset library, Okay, I will add image manually in the next don't need now. Okay, so I just write here Kaskar LLC. This is Kaskar LLC. Okay, then we need to add site link. We already have a site link, just we will add. Okay, so no problem, just you can avoid, but if you don't have to create site link, you need to add. Just create done and please click the continue option. After continue option, we need to set up our budget. So our average daily budget is $20. Okay, and here you can see we will get 77.6% average. This is optimization score, and we will get 29 clicks. So go to the next option, and finally everything is okay. So we need to publish campaign. Before publish campaign, we need to confirm to you. So please wait a moment. So we need to set up our Google OT app. So just I'm going to my Google OT app and find out the code. I'm try to again and find out Skylogs. So 783951 and go to the next option, but this code is not taken, so I am typing again 249144 and go to the next. Unfortunately this is not taken. I am try to again get Google OT app and get skylogs.cascade.gmail.com and now verifying. Now we need to publish our campaign. So our campaign is almost ready, so I'm going to publish our campaign. So here you can see publish campaign. So just click this one and our campaign will publish. Okay, so I'm click and publish campaign, and after publishing campaign we have some work. Okay, so I'm going to asset option. So I'm going to asset option, just click asset. After clicking asset, here we can see at first we need to add some site link. So just click some site link. Here you can see there has a multiple site links. Okay, so here you can see some site links from Skylogs, some site links for Realand. So here is a site links for Skylogs. I just added some and add to enable. Okay, so I just add to campaign, which just select our campaign. This is a new campaign, just done. Okay, and also we can added some images. Okay, so just added some images. There has a no image, so at first we have to download some images and we need to upload. Here we can see at first just cancel this one, add some images. Okay, so Here at first you have to add some image and then you can add. I just download some images from here and you can upload. So I just select this one and select this one also. Okay, so I just select one images. I will add I will find some relevance images, then I will add some images, then select campaign. So we need to select our campaign. I select, this is my campaign which I'm working now, and save. So image is already done. So in this way you can edit some call to action, then business logo, then others assets. So hopefully you understand how to set up a professional Google Ads campaign. So if you need any help, you can contact me. I am a professional Google Ad specialist, and I am also top rated Google Ad specialist on Fiverr and also Upwork. So you can hire me, you can work with me on my Upwork and also Fiverr. So if you need any help, then let me contact. If you want to work with me, and if you want to hire as your Google Ad specialist, please contact me. I can work with you on Upwork. You can see I am a top rated freelancer. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.